Hi, everyone. Have you ever felt like building a website is just too complicated? The endless menus, the coding language, and the multiple designs leave you confused and staring at your screen for hours. But what you really want is a simple, beautiful page where people can find you, connect with you, or buy something from you. Instead of all this, what you get are complex website builders. It's frustrating, right? Well, not until now. What if I told you there's a tool so simple that you can have a clean, professional looking website that can run in less than 1 hour? And that too, without writing a single line of code and without spending all those dollars. That's exactly what Card lets you do. In today's video, I'm going to tell you step by step how to use it and what the features are. And I will also help you create a website that feels like it was designed by a professional, even if this is your very first time. So, what is Card? Well, to start with, Card is a one page website builder. It's a simple, no code platform that builds landing pages, forms, portfolios, and more. So instead of trying to build a huge multi page website with multiple tabs, Card provides simplicity. You get one page, one canvas, and unlimited possibilities. Whether you want to make a personal bio page, a portfolio, or a landing page for your business, Card offers you the tools to make it look great. You can even create a simple coming soon page with it if you like, and more importantly, it's free to start. You can design a fully functional site without paying anything. If you want their advanced features, though, their premium plans are also very affordable compared to other builders. That being said, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up, how to create your first site, and then we'll all take a detailed tour of Card's features. So by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use Card, but you will also have the necessary information to build a page that truly represents your business. Now, the very first step in your Card journey is creating an account. But what's more interesting about Card is that it doesn't force you into signing up right away. Unlike other platforms that stop you with a wall of login and create an account screens before you even see what's inside, Card lets you explore first. When you land on the Card website, you will be asked to put your name, email, and password to sign up for its main dashboard. After you do that, you will hop on its dashboard where you'll be given an option to verify your email. After verifying, you'll get to its main dashboard. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Clicking on the top left icon, you'll immediately notice the big Choose a Starting Point button over there on the homepage. Clicking it doesn't ask you for personal details or even payment info. Instead, it lets you write in and start experimenting. Here you will find options of default and my templates. Now, in the default section, you will find a blank page option on the very top right corner. You see it? Great. After clicking that, you will find a page where you can add elements like text and images. You can also preview animations. Now, on top of that, you can also quickly publish right here. In the default option, there are profile, landing, form, portfolio, and sectioned options. All of these options are the features of Card. Then in the My Templates section, you will find custom, shared, and library options. You can choose different templates, including those that you've created and also those that have been shared with you. Now, another thing that you will notice about the Card dashboard is how clean it is compared to other website builders. There's no clutter, there's no complex toolbars with a number of options. Instead, Card keeps it simple so that you can focus on creating. At the top, there's a space where all of your saved sites will appear once you've built them. If you're brand new, this area might look empty, but don't worry, it will fill up as you start creating. Now, over there on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a small but important menu with just three options: New Site, Account, and Log Out. That's it. And honestly, that's amazing. Instead of worrying about dozens of tabs, Card gives you only what you need. To start building, you'll click New Site. Now, this is the first step to all of Card's templates and your first step in actually designing your page. When you choose to create a new site, now Card will give you two main options. Start with a blank page or pick from a wide variety and selection of templates. These templates are neatly organized into categories like profile, portfolio, landing page, and forms. Each category is tailored to a specific purpose, so you don't waste time searching for something that fits your needs. For example, if you're a freelancer who wants to present your project, you might head towards the portfolio category where templates already include those sections that you need most for images, text, and contact information. On the other hand, if you're running a new business and you want to attract leads, the landing page templates are perfect. Why is that? Because they're designed with call to action buttons, headline areas, and spaces for pricing tables. If you want something personal and simple, the profile templates are built like digital business cards with space for your photo, bio, and links. And for those who are just starting, Card gives you the blank page option where you can design everything yourself. Once you click on a template that catches your eye, Card loads it straight into the editor where you can start making it your own. Believe me, that's not the only amazing thing that Card offers. The editor feature of Card is really the heart of the site, and this is where all the real magic takes place. Once your template loads, your website appears right in the center of the screen. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a panel that is made up of all of the elements of your page, and these elements are like building blocks. You'll find text, blocks, images, buttons, forms, icons, and much more. These elements make Card a natural fit to edit really anything. Just click on what you want to change, and the options quickly appear in the panel. For example, if you click on a headline, a side panel will slide out, giving you control over the font, color, size, and alignment. You can even add links directly into your text with a couple of clicks. Then, you can also change the background of the template. You just have to click on it, and then you'll get options to upload your own image, pick a solid color, or even apply a gradient. Within minutes, you can take a simple template and design it into something that really feels unique and quite adorable. So, after you're done with templates, there's another amazing part of Card that really makes it effortless to add new elements to your page. At the bottom of the editor, you will see a little plus sign. Now click that button and a menu pops up with all of the elements that you can add: text, images, videos, buttons, forms, icons, timers, and even a custom code if you want to get advanced, not necessary though. Let's say you want to add a button. You click button, and then Card immediately drops one onto your site. From there, you can type in whatever text you want on the button, like contact me or sign up now. You can then link it to another page, your email list, or even a PayPal checkout if you're selling something. Not only that, you can get complete control over the button's appearance. You can make it with round or square edges, small or large in size, and any color that you like. The same process works for images and videos as well. If you want to advertise a YouTube video, just paste the link and it appears right on your site. So what are you waiting for? Do you want to display an image? Well, then upload it, and Card helps you resize and position it wherever you need. The whole process is easy and fast, making customization something that you actually enjoy doing instead of feeling like you're wasting your time. Now, I know that seems great. Now that you know how to customize templates, then you would know one of the biggest headaches in web design, and which is making sure that your site looks good on every device. What looks great on your desktop often may not look good on a phone screen. So that's an issue that Card solves quite easily. Card solves this problem for you automatically. Every site you build here is fully responsive by default. That means that it can automatically adjust to fit your desktop or a tablet and mobile screens. Adding to that, inside the editor, you can preview how your site will look on different devices and systems. With one single click, you can switch between desktop view, tablet view, and mobile view. This gives you a pleasant surprise that no matter who visits your site, whether they're visiting to buy your services, it will always look clean and professional. But beyond just looking pretty, a good website should also work better for you than others. So that's where forms come in. Card enables you to add forms to collect information from your visitors. Maybe you want their email addresses for your newsletter. Maybe you want feedback, or maybe you just want a simple way for people to get in touch with you. Adding a form is very simple. As simple as dragging it onto your page and customizing the fields. You can create boxes for names, emails, messages, or really anything else that you need. And the best part is these forms aren't just workable. You can connect them to tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or even Google Sheets. That's why all of your data is organized automatically. For example, imagine you're an entrepreneur building hype for your next startup. You could place a form on your site where your customers enter their emails to get updates about products. Then, if you're selling an ebook, you can have visitors sign up, and once they do, you automatically send them a download link. With Card, your site becomes more than just a page. It represents your brand and becomes a real tool for engagement. But that's not the only feature that engages your business perfectly. Card's integrations features also shine when you start connecting it to the other tools that you already use. Out of the box, Card supports integrations with popular services. If you're into email marketing, you can connect your site with MailChimp or ConvertKit, so new subscribers can be added straight to your mailing list. Then, if you're selling products or services, you can connect with Stripe or PayPal to accept payments directly through your page. This makes Card more than just a digital business card. For freelancers, this could mean a Hire Me button that links straight to a PayPal payment. For small businesses, it could mean using a form that sends customer data to Google Sheets, where you can manage everything in one place. These integrations can build your site from simple to powerful without any complex solutions. Now, although Card's free mode is very helpful, to benefit more from Card and unlock its potential, their Pro plans are really worth a serious look. With Pro, you can connect your own custom domain, which means instead of a free card.co address, your site can live at something like yourname.com. You also get the ability to remove the small made with card branding that appears on free sites. After removing it, it gives your page a more polished and professional look. Then, the Pro plan also unlocks advanced form features, more storage for images, and access to premium templates. And here's the best part. Card Pro also offers Pro at just a few dollars every month, which is significantly cheaper than other site builders that charge 10 times as much or even more. So if you're serious about your online presence, whether it's a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or a content creator, the upgrade pays for itself rather quickly. And you can build and publish more than 3 sites with Pro, which is perfect if you manage multiple projects and want to grow your business. So, after you're satisfied with your site, publishing it is quite easy. In the top right corner of the editor, there's a publish button. Click it, and Card will ask you to choose a site URL. Now, on the free plan, your site will live at thecard.co subdomain, like yourname.card.co. It works perfectly fine, but if you're focusing on a more professional appearance, Pro helps you connect your own domain like yourname.com or yourbusiness.com. Now, once you choose the name, hit publish, and within seconds, your site is live and on the internet. And literally, all of this happens with no waiting and no complex setup. You can now share the link anywhere. You can share it on your social media pages like Facebook, Instagram, X, and Reddit. And you can also share it in your email signature or even on your business cards. And just like that, you've gone from having no website at all to having a fully functioning page that is accessible worldwide. So now that you've seen all the great features of Card and how it is very crucial for your business growth and of course your entrepreneurship ventures, there are other amazing benefits of using Card. The first and foremost beauty of Card is its versatility. Because it's simple but powerful, people use it in all kinds of creative ways. One of the most common uses is personal bio pages. These are perfect for linking from social media accounts. Instead of sending people to a complex page or one that is not easily accessible, you can have a clean Card site with your photo and a short bio. Then you can send your links to everything else. You can send it to your YouTube channel, your Instagram, your shop, or your email. Freelancers often use Card to create quick but professional portfolios with sections for images, text, and contact forms. It's an easy way to showcase your work without investing in a full website. On the other hand, though, entrepreneurs love using Card for landing pages. Whether you are promoting a product or a service, Card templates are designed to attract attention and increase action with clear headlines and forms. And then there are coming soon pages, which are a lifesaver if you're not ready to launch just yet, but you still want to collect emails from interested visitors. Even small local businesses use Card as a simple online presence. These businesses, such as cafes, coaches, and even personal trainers, often create one-page sites to share their story, contact info, and their services. All in all, Card gives you professional results without the learning curve or the cost of a traditional site builder. That was a lot. So today you've learned what Card is, how to get started, how to use the editor, and what all of the features do on Card. Through easy interactions or instructions rather, you saw how to publish your site and how to connect it with powerful tools to grow your audience and your business. Most importantly, you now know how to create a professional looking website without spending a fortune or wasting hours learning complicated software or code. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and start building your own Card site right now. I can assure you, once you build your first site, you see just how powerful and fun this tool really is, you'll keep going. All right, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.